feel so unplugged right now. Hey everybody, I'm Tina Urch and this is the Technophiles Newscast. A little over a year ago on episode 164 of the podcast, we talked about Google's acquisition of Boston Dynamics. Since the purchase, they have given Atlas, which is the robot they're working on in conjunction with DARPA, a major upgrade. So they're now calling the robot Atlas Unplugged, and they're working towards the DARPA Robotics Challenge in June of this year. He's knee-deep in upgrades. Well, the other way around. 75% of the robot is new, but it's all from the knees up. You know what I mean. The original version was powered by a cable that tethered it to the location it was at, didn't really have much range of motion. They've now upgraded to a battery pack that the robot carries, which gives it about an hour of life on its own. That same cable that powered Atlas was also used to hold it upright in the old version. Now, the new version will be unplugged and stand on its own. During testing, they're still using the cable as a safety measure. We're talking a big robot here, 345 pounds and 6 feet 2 inches tall, that's still learning to walk. Another upgrade to Atlas is its variable pressure pump, which reduces the noise put out by the robot. It used to be so loud to work with Atlas that operators had to wear earplugs. Does it sound like robots in here to you? And we've barely scratched the surface of the upgrades here. There's a few things that have been changed about Atlas's, well, skeleton, basically. Atlas's shoulder joints have basically been flipped over to give the robot a greater range of motion with its arms. Except this shirt is like the original version of Atlas. Wrists have been added so that Atlas can now open doors. They've also upgraded his arm and leg actuators, which makes him so much stronger than before and makes it possible for him to get up on his own if he falls down. Atlas's brain has also gotten an upgrade with 3 onboard perception computers that allow for perception and task planning. They've also put a wireless router in his head, which allows for untethered communication, and built an emergency stop feature which allows operators to hit the kill switch from a distance. With all the upgrades, the possibilities for Atlas Unplugged are limitless. What would you like to see Atlas used for? Tell us in the comments below, or tweet us at TechnopilesPod. You can also find us on Facebook by searching Technophiles, or go right to our website, technophilespodcast.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Why was the robot angry? Because someone was pushing his buttons. What do you get when you cross a tractor and a robot? A transfarmer. What did the guy say to his dead robot? Rust in peace.